Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Today we got a 2008 Dodge Charger with a 5.7 and I'm going to show you how to replace the EGR valve. Why? Some of you guys already know why, but others don't. Oh well. Alright, coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, the reason why we're changing this EGR valve is because remember last time we did a smoke test and smoke was just pouring out of here. So we need to get that changed. The first thing we're going to do is remove the top engine cover. And that's all you have to do is just grab it, pick it up, and put that to the side. We'll be right back. Alright guys, the next thing we're going to do is unplug it. Now to unplug it, you got a little safety tab here. So take you a flat screwdriver and just pop that back just like this. Then this tab right here, you want to squeeze down and unplug it. Alright, we're going to push that to the side. The next thing you want to do is get you a deep 8mm or 5/16 socket, 1/4" drive with your 1/4" drive ratchet. And you got two bolts right there going onto this pipe. So we're going to reach down here. And we got got that one, and then this one right here. Alright, let's get both bolts out and we'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm down to my last bolt. When you take this bolt out, you can see that gasket right there that I'm moving around. So make sure that gasket don't drop. Besides, your new one should come with it. Now, I'm holding this. Let me see if I can get this gasket out of there. Okay. Now, this pipe right here goes, EGR pipe goes up and goes into the intake. It's just a rubber grommet in there. So that's how you do it. Just pull that out, take the whole pipe, the bolt and everything, and put that to the side. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we're ready to remove our EGR valve. Our EGR valve is held on by two 10mm bolts. You get one right there, and on the other side you have one right there. Now the problem is this one right here, notice how deep down it is, and it's right here above the alternator, and that right here, right in back of the alternator, so you don't got much room at all. But there's a couple of ways you can do that. One, you're going to need, you can use a 4" 1/4" drive extension with a 10mm swivel socket. That's for you guys who have one. And you're not going to be able to take the whole bolt out entirely like this, but get your socket into there, and because you can see the bend it's making, and you can get it just to loosen that up. Okay. And once you loosen it up, because if you try to keep going back, you're going to try to see, you're going to hit up against that alternator. So you try to get back as much as possible. So you can take it off. Yeah, let's stop right there. Now let's get this thing off of here. Alright, the other way of doing that. Now that bolt is kind of tight, so what you want to do is take you a long 10mm wrench, get in there, and then use this to break it loose. But it's going to hit up against the brake lines over here on the ABS pump. So then that's all you'll be able to do is turn it that much. But that's all you want to do is get it loosened Then you would take a little bitty 10mm wrench, and then you can go in there and continue to take it off. And this bolt feels like it's pretty loose, so I might be able to get my fingers in there and keep turning it. Of course not. Dang it. So I'm gonna sit here for a while with this little bit of wrench and get that off. Be right back. Alright guys, I got the bolt all the way out. So let's go ahead and take the bolt out, put it to the side. Now our next bolt over here, I'm going to use my 10mm swivel socket with my 4-inch 1/4-inch drive extension. Yeah. Now this one you can probably get in there with a straight. I ain't gonna take no chances. Yeah, you can probably definitely get in there with a straight. But I'm going in like this. Man, these bolts are tight. You know what, guys? Get that. Get my 10mm wrench here. And I'm gonna break that loose. Still tight. Okay, there we go. Now let's get our 1/4-inch in there. And that already. Hit my hand up against the alternator. Like, all right.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. All right. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Dang it. We forgot. Dang it.
You forgot what?
Time for a civvy joke.
Oh man. He set me up for that.
What's the joke we got for today?
Okay. What kind of turtle like things fast?
What kind of turtle like things fast? Let's see. There's the tortoise and the hare. I don't know.
The hare's a rabbit.
Okay, what kind then? Let me do this. What kind?
The snappy kind.
The snappy kind. That don't deserve a yeah, buddy.
Yeah, it does.
That deserves an uncle joke.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright guys, let's get this almost out. And let's see, where's I'm looking for a gasket around here. Maybe it's still stuck up there. So let's get this bolt out and we'll be right back. Alright guys, there's the gasket fell down there. You can see the gasket right there. Alright, there we go. Let's go get our new EGR valve. We'll be right back. Alright guys, here we go. Got the new one. That looks nice and shiny. This is a standard product too. They got a good name brand. Customer got it from Rock Auto. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, take the scouring pad.
Scour.
Let's go over here. Where the old EGR valve set at, we're gonna just scuff that up. Well, not scuff it up, clean it up. And then get the rag, yeah, scour it up. And then we're gonna wipe it off and bring our new EGR valve over. We'll be right back. Alright guys, ready to put this in. You're gonna grab your new gasket. Now these new gaskets are made that you got. Now you gotta be careful about putting this in place, because if you can put the bolts in this way, it'll line up. This thing is supposed to be offset a little bit. Why it's not, I have no idea. You can tell like this one, but just make sure it's centered. Put the bolts in. Do not force the bolts into the gasket. What you want to do is screw the bolts into the gasket, and it's going to hold the gasket into place while we're installing the EGR valve. Now, also on my 4-inch 1/4-inch drive extension, I now put up a shallow 10mm deep socket. That way it's not so I can get this thing started. So we're gonna go in there, we're gonna start this one first. So let's go over here. lower it down and get that bolt lined up over there. I'm gonna have to back this up a little bit. Get that one bolt started. Okay. Now, come around this side. You can see it better. Go around that way. Now, I gotta get this. Now I gotta get this one bolt right here. So what I'm gonna do is back this up a little bit. Keep making sure the gasket stays in place. Bring it down, and as soon as it lines up, start putting it in. It takes it's kind of difficult in this little tight spot right here to try to, but you gotta get that bolt started by hand. So make sure you don't cross thread it. There we go. Dang, I thought I had it. Sucks, man. This one bolt down here sucks. Okay, got it. Now what I'm gonna do is get my short 10mm wrench, and I'm gonna bring this one in as much as we can. All right, be right back. All right, guys, I got that going in some, just enough so I can get my swivel 10mm 1/4" drive socket in there. And what I'm gonna do here is go ahead and bring this all the way in till it stops. Then I'm gonna go up to the top one. Then I'm gonna go up here to this one over here. You can see this one over here?
No.
So what are you doing then?
But they saw it before.
You gotta see it again.
Oh, jeez.
So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna tighten both of these up. Now when you tighten these up, only thing you do, and especially it's a 1/4" drive, and that's aluminum head, so you can't strip out the threads. So what you wanna do here, go ahead and get one. You know what, guys? There we go. All right. What you're gonna do? Let me bring this one in. As soon as it stops, turn it a little bit more and tighten it up. That's it. All right, let's get this bottom one done, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. Now we gotta install the EGR pipe. But before you do that, grab your scouring pad. And what you want to do, you got a gasket right here that's supposed to be right here. You can see the old gasket up there. We're going to go ahead and clean all that up and make it look nice and shiny. Alright? We'll be right back. Alright, guys, we got that cleaned off. That looks nice and good. Now, you got an O-ring right here. Now, why this one didn't come with another rubber O-ring gasket right here? I'm not sure. But you want to put that gasket right up to that point right there. Just make sure it's up to that point right there. Alright, now let's get our EGR gasket, the pipe gasket. Same kind of principle. Put our bolts in. It'll keep it into place. Screw it in by a couple threads. And now hold that right into place. And let's get ready to put this on. We'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to lower our pipe down. And you want to put it into the intake. Up here. Put it right there, and at the same time, line up your gaskets down here, and you can start those bolts. So now it's lined up. And let's go in there and bring them in a lot more. We're going to bring them in all the way till it's flush, and at the same time up here, that's all you have to do is just take this and push that in, and it's in. That's it. They should have gave you a new one, but I'm not sure why. Alright, so let's get our 1/4" drive ratchet with our deep 8mm socket. And if you don't have an 8mm socket, you can do the 5/16. Alright, let's bring these all the way in. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we'll make sure this pipe is in there. Tighten this up. I'm gonna go till the bolt stops. And just a little bit more. You can strip that out, so be very careful with that. Alright, let's go over here to the next one and get that tightened up. And while we're tightening this up, how about listening to another silly joke?
What kind of witch can you take to the beach?
Oh, then that's an easy one. A hero.
What kind of hero? Wait, what? No.
A sandwich.
A sandwich.
A sandwich. Alright guys, we got that tightened up. Last but not least, go over here, plug it up, and push the tab in. Make sure up here is in, which it is. Great. Put the cover on and we are done. Be right back.
Alright, so today we had a 2008 Dodge Charger. This is an RT 5.7 engine, and we showed you how to replace the EGR valve. If you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.